Hindi ho siya appear sapagkat hindi niya kinikilala. Una-una hindi niya kinikilala ang legalidad ng kanyang pagkakaaresto. Meron hong pagtingin kami na hindi legal ang warrant na inisyu laban sa kanya. Pangalawa ho, yung nangyayari rito na investigation, farcical ho hindi na ito in aid of legislation. This is in aid of demolition of Vice President Binay. And he will not lend any credence and credibility to this kind of proceeding. Kaya hindi ho siya a-appear dito sa subcommittee hearing. Maliwanag po yun. And the Senate has no power to drag him and to force him to appear. Ang power lang po ng Senate, if it will cite him in contempt, ay i-detain siya doon sa detention facility nila until such time that he will purge himself of the contempt. And the only way to purge himself of that contempt is to appear. Pero hindi ho siya mag-a-appear. We will bring this matter to judicial authorities and let the courts decide the legality of all of these transgressions against the rights of Mayor Binay being committed by these senators. Take note that the mayor is not suspended from performing his duties and functions as mayor. Pwede ho siyang manatili na alkalde at gawin ang kanyang trabaho bilang alkalde ng Makati dito sa loob ng Senado. Magpapadetain siya hanggang walang desisyon ng Korte Suprema tungkol dito.